All right, guys, we're watching Supercross Street Racing right here on TV. But today we have a task, and we're going to turn this down first, but we are going to be pressure washing everything today. It needs it. It's been a couple of months since we did it. And you know you have to do that all the time in Florida. So Patricia is coming over. She wants to do it. She loves doing pressure washing. It's like her therapy. We're going to go ahead and get set up for her, though. We're going to go grab the pressure washer, get the hose connected, and start looking at pressure washing. And this will be the first time we've ever pressure washed my new driveway. So it has not been pressure washed since I got it. So this will be a first on the pavers. Let's get busy and get to work. Yeah. All right, we did finish the project of getting the driveway and all the concrete fully pressure washed. You can see how good this came out here in the front. The concrete is super white again, and then we will take you around the house and show you the other parts that did get pressure washed. Right, and it is raining a bit out here, but you can see we did get the pool deck done, all these pavers, and the entire side of the house right here on the same day. And all this got done here all the way up to the front. And that is the new pad that is supposed to run water off and keep it from going into the actual studio. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video and all the pressure washing stuff. I know it's satisfying for some people, but there's a good look at the pavers that got done there and the pool deck. And of course, everything on this side as well. All of this got done and it looks amazing. And that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining us one more time on Supercar Street Racing. Oh, I forgot to mention before I let you guys go, we did have massive problems with the GoPro overheating, so we lost a lot of the footage that we did because it just kept shutting off. It's so annoying. Even in the shade, it would not stay on. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you again next time.